Installation and configuration of the WooCommerce Appmaker plugin. To begin with, go to Appmaker and create an account by clicking the Sign Up button. Log in if you already have an account. Click Get Started on the top right corner. Now enter the app name that you want to in the given field. Next, type in email ID and click Get Started to complete this process. You need to fill in this field based on your profile and click Continue. Now, type in the website URL of your WooCommerce store in the text box and click Proceed. Now, enter the app name that you want to in the given field. Type in email ID and the website URL of your WooCommerce store in the text box. You need to fill in this field based on your profile. Click Create App to complete this process. After clicking the Create App button, you will be taken to the Appmaker Dashboard, where you will get the Customize App option. The first option under the Customize App option is App Icon, which usually is your brand logo. To set an app icon for your mobile app, upload or drag and drop a file. Click Next to customize the icons and launch screens. Next, set up a launch screen for your app. Upload or drag and drop a file to set up a launch screen and select the background color. This is the first screen that your customer sees when the app is launched. It is recommended to keep it clean and minimal with your logo and brand color. Click Next. Next, style your mobile app by assigning colors to your toolbar. Click on each field to select the colors. Click Next. Next comes the process of connecting the app to your website. First, install and activate the plugin. Click the Connect Automatically button below. You will be redirected to your WordPress plugin directory, where you can install and activate the plugin. After installing the plugin, click Activate. Next, go to your WordPress admin, click WooCommerce, and then Appmaker App Settings. Copy and paste the access key copied from the Appmaker plugin settings page on your WordPress dashboard below and click on the Activate App button. This completes the creation of your WooCommerce mobile app using the Appmaker plugin. Thank you.